Before flying, carefully check main blades and tail blades is firmly assembled. Please practice flying a legal flying field consisting of flat, smooth ground without obstacles. Before turning on the transmitter, make sure all the sticks and switches are at correct position. Turn on the throttle hold switch to prevent engine or motor rotation accidentally and unexpected danger. Power on TREX 450 LP. Carefully check and ensure transmitter stick and servo moves correspondingly. Tail the helicopter forward and swatch plate should tail back to compensate. The swatch plate should tail in reverse wherever the helicopter tails. Transmitter introduction. Now we have Mode 1 transmitter. Push the left stick to the top, then the helicopter will fly forward. Push the left stick to the bottom, then the helicopter will fly backward. Move to left or right, then the helicopter will fly to the right or left. Push the right stick to the top, then increase the throttle. Move to left or right, then that's for aileron. The stun mode switch is at the top on the left. The throttle hold switch is at the top on the right. Now stop practicing. Make sure your flying field is flat and smooth ground without obstacles. Put the helicopter at least 10 meters away in front of you. Keep the helicopter tail aligned with the pilot. Turn off throttle hold switch. When the helicopter begins to lift off the ground, slowly reduce the throttle to bring the helicopter down. Keep practicing this action until you control the throttle smoothly. Make sure not to push or move the stick too hard when doing maneuver practice. Push the throttle stick to the center. The helicopter will hover at a certain altitude. If the helicopter continues to climb, then push the throttle stick down a little bit. Move the left stick to the left. The helicopter will tail to the left. Move the left stick to the right. The helicopter will tail to the right. Then fly the helicopter back at the home position. Push the left stick to the top. The helicopter will fly forward. Push the left stick to the bottom. The helicopter will fly backward. Then fly the helicopter back at the home position. Move the right stick to the right. The nose of the helicopter moves to the right. Move the right stick to the left. The nose of the helicopter will move to the left. Then fly the helicopter back at the home position. This is all about the basic maneuver. Please repeat and keep practicing this maneuver to improve your control precisely. Thanks for watching.